Check out this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: engine immobilizer, rear center seat belt, 3-point belt, stability control with anti-roll control, dust sensing headlights, fuel type, regular unleaded, fold-up cushion rear seats, manufacturer 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time, seconds, 7.0 seconds, and front suspension stabilizer bar. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.